Since its inception, fueled by the respect for the blood, sweat, and tears of our forebears, the People's National Party set out across this country on a mission to contribute to the formation of a nation. A strong, independent, and resilient people, establishing the attributes of a modern Jamaica, reflective of the dreams of the countless unnamed heroes and heroines who knew, despite their personal hardships, that a better way of life could be achieved in this space that is Jamaica. What an astounding mission. The work to achieve that mission has successively produced leaders who have been world-class and respected around the world. Norman Manley himself, and then his son Michael, and my immediate predecessor, Most Honorable P.J. Patterson, are all known for championing not just the cause of a nation, but a cause of nationhood in several countries. Over the journey of their successive and successful tenures, these leaders united in the fight against apartheid, colonization, imperialism, unjust trade and economic relations, social injustice, and inequality between rich and poor countries. But more importantly, we united around a mission to form a nation family. The results have proven that the mission is a worthy one.